treat?
That is our dog, Jack. He is a good boy. He loves treats. That's how you're going to get inside if he won't come inside. And he doesn't get treats too often. He is 57 years old and 9 years in human years.
I've got to put a special buddy hat on.
And this is his hat.
Sounds
Barrel.
And this is his best.
He looks terrified. Let's take this off.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, you can take it off.
And
I get to wear it too.
And this,
It's his toy.
and he
Love
ripped
you.
off both of
His arms.
and made a hole in one ear.
Jackie likes to lay on this couch. He likes barking at dogs from this window.
So we close the curtains on him.
Yeah, that's what we usually do.
And he loves to lay down with Fluffy.
And that is all we have to do with Jacqueline, the good